I am doing a demo on fish oil. As we know, there are a lot of different products of fish oil in the market. I will be showing you how effective and beneficial our Forever Living products Arctic Sea in our circulatory system. Arctic Sea has omega-3 which supports our cardiovascular system. It has also omega-9 that will increase your good cholesterol and decreases your bad cholesterol at the same time. It will also help eliminate buildup of plaque in our arteries. Now, I'm going to show you a different kind of fish oil and our fish oil. The size of the Arctic Sea is much smaller compared to other products. It is because it is designed also for kids. Now, kids can also take Arctic Sea at the same time. Now, I am going to use these two glasses to represent the different veins and arteries in our body. When we are still young, as you can see, our arteries and the veins is very clean. I will also be using styrofoam because styrofoam has the same molecular structure of cholesterol, and I am using this styrofoam to represent the fried and oily food that we eat every day, because we love to eat those kind of food, and as we continue to take and eat those kind of oily food, eventually plaque and cholesterol are slowly building in our arteries. I am going to pour hot water. This hot water will represent our blood, because our blood is also warm. Now, I am going to prick this fish oil, simulating that I am taking this fish oil in my body. Okay, now I'm going to shoot this also inside the glass. Alright, as you can see how amazing the effect of Arctic Sea in our arteries. How you can see that Arctic Sea is doing its job and slowly eliminating the plaque in our veins compared to other fish oil. Forever Arctic Sea also has an EPA and DHA of 200 milligrams. It has also calamari oil and olive oil, and it doesn't smell and taste like fish. It is also a fat burner and halal certified. Keep taking Arctic Sea every day for a healthier cardiovascular system.